Stretching helps you improve your breathing and is an important part of your rehab program. Make sure you do all these stretches twice a week, and feel free to follow along with this video every time you do them. Before you get started, make sure you have 2 sturdy chairs nearby. Kitchen or dining room chairs would probably work best. Now, before each stretch, Kristen will demonstrate first, then the 2 of you will do it together. Don't forget, you can always check back with your pulmonary rehabilitation guide for information about using inhalers, home oxygen, and when to call your doctor. Okay, here we go. While you're stretching, anytime you need help catching your breath or controlling your breathing, remember to stop and practice pursed lip breathing. Here's how to do it. Relax your neck and shoulder muscles. Then breathe in slowly through your nose, like you're smelling roses, counting to 3 in your head. Then breathe out gently through your mouth, counting to 5. Keep your lips puckered like you're going to blow out birthday candles. Always breathe out for longer than you breathe in, and never hold your breath between inhaling and exhaling. Okay, let's move on to the first stretch. To stretch your hamstrings, first, you'll sit down in one chair and put another chair in front of you. You'll put one heel on the chair that's in front of you, heel and knee down, and your toes up like this. Then bend at your hips and lean forward, reaching out toward your toes. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, and then gently release and switch sides. Remember to keep breathing through the stretch. Let's try it together. Heel on the chair in front of you, heel and knee down, toes up. Now bend at your hips and lean forward. Reach toward your toes and hold while you breathe. Count to 20. Now let's sit back. Great. Go ahead and pause the video to stretch the other side now, then hit play to keep going. Let's stretch your quadriceps. First, you're going to hold on to something stable, like the back of a chair or countertop. Hold on with one hand and stand up nice and straight. Then you'll bend one knee backward and grab your ankle, foot, or pant leg, whatever's most comfortable for you. Do your best to keep standing straight. Gently pull your heel toward your rear end to feel the stretch. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. If you're not quite flexible enough to reach back and pull your heel toward you, you can place a chair behind you, bend your knee back, and set it on the chair like this. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Don't forget to stand up straight. Then carefully step back down and switch sides. Okay, now you can join in. Hold onto that chair back or countertop. Bend your knee back and grab your ankle, foot, or pant leg, or you can put your foot on a chair behind you. Keep standing straight. Gently pull your heel toward your rear end. Keep breathing and hold. Count to 20. Good. Now put your foot down. Press pause to stretch the other side, then hit play to continue to the next one. Now it's time to stretch your sides. Let's stand with our feet a shoulder's width apart and just relax those arms at your sides. Bend at your waist to reach one arm down toward your knee. Make sure you face forward, keeping those shoulders straight. You can use a chair for stability if you'd like. Now hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Pay attention to your breathing. Then back up and switch sides. Let's do it together. Stand with your feet a shoulder's width apart. Let those arms relax at your sides. Bend at your waist, reaching that arm down toward your knee. Focus on your breathing and hold. Count to 20. Great. Now you can stand back up. Hit pause now to stretch the other side and come back and press play to continue. Let's stretch out those calf muscles now. While you're standing, face a wall or something tall and sturdy. Place one leg in front of you and the other one behind, like this. Keep both heels on the ground, bend your front knee to 90 degrees, and keep your back knee straight. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and feel the stretch in the calf of your back leg. Then release and switch sides. Let's do one together. You're going to face the wall and put one leg in front of you, the other behind. Now bend your front knee to 90 degrees and keep that back knee straight. Remember, both heels stay on the ground. Keep breathing through the stretch and hold. Count to 20. Nice job. Press pause now to stretch the other side, then hit play to continue to the next one. Let's work on your shoulders. You can do this one while you're standing or sitting. Take one arm and reach across your body with your palm facing you. Use your other hand to pull your arm toward your chest, like this. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and feel the stretch in your shoulder, then release. Okay, your turn. Arm across your body, palm facing you. Now, with your other hand, pull your arm into your chest. Hold and breathe. Count to 20. That's it. Go ahead and pause the video to stretch the other shoulder now, then hit play to keep going. One more stretch for your shoulders. You can stand or sit for this one too. Start out by relaxing your arms at your sides. Gently raise your shoulders toward your ears. Count to 10, then lower them. Now you join in. Arms relaxed at your sides, raise your shoulders up and count to 10. Focus on your breathing. Now gently lower them back down. Great. Let's sit in that sturdy chair and do some leg extensions. Make sure you're seated all the way back and put your feet on the floor, a shoulder's width apart. Now extend one leg until it's straight in front of you. Hold for a moment, then slowly lower the leg until your foot is flat on the floor again. Then you'll do the other. Okay, now you join in. Sit all the way back in your chair, feet flat on the floor, a shoulder's width apart. Extend one leg until it's straight in front of you. Make sure you're breathing as you pause, and slowly bring it back down until your foot is flat on the floor. That's it. Pause now to stretch your other leg, then press play to continue. Now for some calf raises. Let's remain seated all the way back in the chair with our feet a shoulder's width apart. Now push on your toes just like a ballerina to raise your heels off the floor. Hold them up for 10 to 15 seconds, then slowly lower your heels until your feet are flat on the floor. Okay, now you join in. Sit all the way back in your chair, feet flat on the floor, a shoulder's width apart. Push on those toes and raise your heels up. Keep breathing as you hold. Count to 15. Slowly bring your heels back down until your feet are flat on the floor. That's it. Let's do a half squat stretch now. You're going to stand with your feet a shoulder's width apart between both of your sturdy chairs like this. Hold onto the back of the chair in front of you. Now, leading with your rear end, squat halfway down like you're going to sit in the chair behind you. Make sure you look at a fixed point at chest height in front of you. That'll help you keep your balance. Pause for a moment, then slowly return to your standing position while breathing out. Let's do it together. Stand between your chairs and hold onto the back of the chair in front of you. Remember to have your feet a shoulder's width apart on the floor. Now you're going to lead with your rear end and squat halfway down like you're going to sit in that chair behind you. Remember to keep your head and eyes up. Hold, and then slowly return to a standing position while you breathe out. Nice. Now you'll pause to do another one on your own. Then come back and press play to keep going. Last stretch. We're almost done. Now we're going to work on your neck. Relax with your arms down. Now gently tilt your head to one side, moving your ear toward your shoulder. Count to 10. Relax your jaw and keep your shoulders down and torso straight. Gently lift your head back up, then do the other side. Okay, ready to finish strong? Let's go. Gently tilt your head to one side, ear toward your shoulder, and hold while you focus on your breathing. Keep your jaw relaxed, shoulders down, torso straight. Lift your head and relax. Good. Hit pause to stretch the other side, then come back and press play to finish the video. Way to go! You've just finished your pulmonary rehab stretching exercises. If you haven't done your strength training exercises yet, click on the link on your screen and follow along with the video. We'll see you next time.